welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight, we are going to be continuing on our Celtic knotwork. We need to do another 2 loops on this side and do another 2 loops on this side. So, we need to get that made and let's get started. So I think I figured out why I think I ran out of fuel. That's why I didn't solder the first time, because I'm over here like, why does my flame, why I'm trying to like turn it up and it's just like, it's still like it's not hitting right. It doesn't look right. It looks very soft. And that's a weird thing to say about flame, but flame can be soft and brushy. It was too brushy. I don't know if I'm saying this right, but I think I'm out of fuel. So, and I think that's so. I think for the first time with this torch, fuel time, fuel time, fuel time, fuel time, fuel time, or refill time. I'm not sure. Whatever you guys want. Luckily, I already have a secondary tank. There we go. That goes back up into that nice chainmail holding case that I got for it. Well, that I made for it. Look at that. That's so nice. I love it. All right. Let's get back to work. Alright, so, figured out why I was having such an issue. Today's just not a soldering day. Okay. It is a lot easier to solder when you use solder and not silver wire. Yeah, so, this is pretty much silver wire. I'm pretty confident. The half hard should have given it off, but I think I just read hard, so I assumed that it was solder. Womp womp. So, now that I have my solder, I really need to start organizing this stuff a lot better, because that's just not good. I'm gonna see what we have left for time here. This might be the end of the episode, which kind of, it's just not good because I literally only soldered one thing. But time frames, you know, that type of thing. Yeah, so don't try to solder with silver wire. That's a... okay. That's a good... yeah. I really need to get an organizing system in here. The thing that threw me off was that I do have a piece of hard solder that was in a bag and it was loose. It was a new piece because I was running low on my actual solder. And I don't know where it is. Anyway, I'm gonna go check the time. But if it is over a certain amount of time, then this is the end of the episode, and hopefully you all enjoyed me fumbling around trying to forge weld silver. That's basically what I was trying to do, was forge weld silver. It doesn't work. Clean it. Like that. Straighten and clean this piece as well. Like that. Now put it on the piece. Now use actual solder. Now use a hard flame. Now repeat all these steps for this one. Well, that was embarrassing, to say the least. But it's definitely a learning experience. There are definitely not soldering days. This is why you don't work when you're tired or distracted or anything like that. It was a mistake. But luckily we got through it without damaging anything. I might have to redo some of these lines on some of these, but other than that, just from the extra cleaning and sanding. But other than that, I think we're good. Yeah, this was definitely a weird day. I think it's because I'm rushing. I might be rushing. But hopefully you all enjoyed. We got the second set of rings on the pieces. They're in the pickle right now. I'm just letting them sit. Sometimes you just need to let them sit. So we're just letting them sit a little bit. Hell, this one can go in there too. Yeah, today was not a good day. yeah. Trying to forge weld silver, not gonna work. That was silly. Yeah, that was silly. In any case, I hope that you all enjoyed. Uh, if you liked this episode, hit that like button. And if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell so then you get notified whenever I put out a video. My schedule's a little wonky. I'm going to try to do a live this week, but I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to be able to. But yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed, and have a wonderful evening.